is where you are now where you want to be forever? Is your job going to be able to change over the next 3-5 years and get you to where you want to be? And if the answer is no, then something's got to give. I'm Jane Gormley and I'm the Director of Employer Engagement here at Code Institute. It's a really positive time to switch to software development. It's the fastest growing industry globally and one with the biggest skills gap globally. So in terms of ticking boxes of whether there's a huge opportunity for you to have a really good career, the answer is yes. By retraining, that just brings you on a journey. It brings you to the next step and it opens doors. There are no barriers to this industry. Everybody can do it. Now, that doesn't mean that it's easy or it doesn't take hard work, but there are open doors, there are massively growing businesses, there are constantly changing requirements and skills. So your first step is your first step and it will get you to your starting point. The most important advice that I can provide to you when you're looking at changing careers is that firstly, it's absolutely possible. Don't be afraid of unsettling the status quo in order to achieve what's available out there. You need to make a list of nothing more than 5 of pros and cons of what you're doing now. And if none of those are satisfying you or can be changed, then you need to get out of there. The longer you leave it, the more you're missing out on. You're the one who has to make it happen, and there isn't someone, there isn't somebody who's going to come along and do this for you. No one's going to force you to change something unless you do it yourself. You can analyse over this and agonise over it forever, but really what just needs to happen is that you need to make a decision and you need to just go for it.